Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be introducing you to 4 amazing super useful websites that you can specifically use for YouTube. Whether you're looking to download YouTube videos, download the MP3 audio file to listen offline, or download the subtitle of a particular YouTube video, or just want to save time by summarizing a video, these websites have got you covered. I'll leave the links to the websites in the description below. So, let's get started. First up, we have y2mate.com. This website allows you to download YouTube videos quickly and easily. To use it, go to their website, y2mate.com. All you have to do is copy the link to the video you want to download and paste it into y2mate.com's search bar. You'll be given a range of options for downloading the video in different formats and qualities, so you can choose the one that works best for you. You can also download the audio by clicking the Audio tab and download it in 128 kbps quality. Next, we have mp3dl.cc, which allows you to download audio tracks from YouTube videos. If you've ever come across a song or podcast on YouTube that you'd like to listen to on the go, this website makes it super easy to extract just the audio and save it as an MP3 file. Go to the website, mp3dl.cc, and when you get to their homepage, just type in the name of the song that you want to download, and it will show you all of the videos available on YouTube that you can download as the MP3 file. You can either play or download the audio, and here, I'll click Download. Then, you can download your MP3 song in your preferred quality. Or in the other way, you can just paste the YouTube link in the search bar, and it will also help you download your MP3 file. But what if you don't have time to watch an entire YouTube video, or just want to get the gist of it quickly? That's where Tammy.ai comes in. This website uses AI technology to summarize YouTube videos for you, so you can get the main points without having to watch the whole thing. Simply paste the video link into the search bar, and it will generate a summary for you in just a few seconds. You can expand each key point or topic and learn summarized notes and points to understand furthermore. Finally, we have downsub.com, a website that allows you to download subtitles for YouTube videos. If you're watching a video in a language you don't understand, or just want to make sure you catch every word, this website can help you out. Go to the website downsub.com and paste the video link into the search bar, and it will generate a range of subtitle options in the video's original language. You can also download the subtitle in other various languages. Just download the SRT file or TXT file in your favorite language. And there you have it, 4 amazing websites that can make your YouTube experience even better. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And if you're interested in similar videos, make sure to check out this video here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.